Six-figure income, work from home, with an investment of $3,500 or less. Let's dive right into this, guys. My name is Ryan with the Rise and Grind Workshop, and that is exactly what I did. The unit you see right here behind me is a 60-watt Omtech CO2 laser, and I made a six-figure income by selling products I made with this machine online and at my local marketplace. At the time of this video, this current unit is on sale for $31.99, and if you use my code RNGPRODUCTS 5 off, you can save an additional 5% off of this machine and any of the additional accessories you're looking to purchase. If you have some basic computer skills, I guarantee you can get this laser unit delivered to your doorstep and start making money the exact same day. Omtech is one of the few companies that truly offers a turnkey laser for under $3,500. This 60-watt unit uses standard 110-volt household electricity. Its nice compact size allows you to place a unit like this in your garage or even your home office. Another myth I can quickly debunk: you do not need to be an artist to use a CO2 laser and make a six-figure income. With websites like Pinterest and Etsy, it's really given independent artists a great platform to sell their artwork to users that might not have their own ability to create and draw their own artwork. If you're interested in finding out more about the Omtech CO2 line of lasers, take a look at the link in my bio, and again, save 5% with RNG Products 5 off and start your way to financial freedom today.